Hello, Group 8, and welcome to your dictation from the end of the week. I'm going to tell you a little story, and at the end I'm going to tell you which words you have to write down. My name is Sylvie. I see you are still sleeping. When I take a snack, you suddenly wake up. I thought you didn't mind that I ate your Snickers, but you got all grumpy and told me you were very angry. You ran to the truck and drove to the volcano, where there was still a little fire. My name is Sylvie. Write down, my name is. My name is. My name is. I see you are still sleeping. Write down, see. See. I see. You are still sleeping. Write down, sleeping. Sleeping. When I take a snack, write down, snack. Snack. You suddenly wake up. Write down, suddenly. 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 I thought you didn't mind that I ate your Snickers. Write down, thought. Thought. But you got all grumpy and told me you were very angry. Write down, told. 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 You ran to the truck. Write down, truck. Truck. And drove to the volcano. Write down, volcano. Volcano. Where there was still a little fire. Write down, where. Where. Okay, now I'm going to say all the words, and you can read with me and check if you wrote them correctly, and then afterwards you can take a picture. Okay? My name is. See. Sleeping. Snack. Suddenly. Thought. Told. Truck. Volcano. Where. Okay, now you take a clear picture and you send it to your stamgroepleerkracht in classroom. Okay, good luck. Bye bye.